Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting the like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take what resonate, leave what does not. Energy is fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy, okay? Personal readings down below in the description box. Those of you that have not subscribed as of yet, what's going on? If you're new here, greetings. All right, let's see what y'all got going on. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. All right, the number 13. I'm saying 1331, 333 is definitely significant for somebody. I don't know if you guys have been seeing that. 333 is very spiritual. It speaks of mind, body, and spirit. 333 is also the Holy Trinity of mother, father, and son and daughter. Okay, let's go ahead and get it. What y'all got going on? What's going on with the collector? They said no sorries allowed. That's what it say. No sorries allowed. Somebody did something. They try to call themselves coming back in to apologize for something that they did. And you guys are like, I'm not with it. You did it because you wanted to do it. What are you sorry for? It was a choice, a decision. Nothing forced you into doing something to fuck me up, fuck me over. All right? Stab me in the back. Lie, cheat on me. Nothing. So what are you apologizing for? You meant what you did and you did it. No sorries. Unforgiven, not willing to forgive a person or forget a past situation. Guarded. Because they did it. What do you apologize for? You just mad because you got caught. You sorry that I found out. And you can't keep trying to play me like a motherfucking fiddle. That's what you're sorry about. And I'm sorry. I'm not taking your sorry. I'm sorry you're a sorry piece of shit. That's what I'm sorry. I'm sorry I gave you the time of day. That's what y'all saying. That's what you're sorry for. Because they're a sorry bitch. Let's go ahead and keep on going. No sorries allowed. And they got a nerve to have that damn rose in their mouth. Want to bring a rose or something. And then behind me, look, I don't know. That might be the sun. I don't know. They trying to bring in some sort of want to make things right and come in smiling and cheesing and grinning, looking like a damn Lord help me. I can dig it. Clarify there's no sorries allowed. Because nobody want to hear that. Nobody want that. No sorries allowed. What's going on? No sorries allowed. No sorries allowed. At the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing an energy of you persevering. Number 7 could definitely be significant. Let me see if I can get it in there. Perseverance. Number 7, I'm seeing an energy of you overcoming challenges. I'm seeing resolution and endurance. Endurance? Yeah, I'm seeing you overcoming some sort of blockage, overcoming some sort of hurdle, overcoming some sort of any type of stagnation. I don't know. Because that's what it looked like, somebody trying to cause some sort of blockage. I heard, love me, love me, love me. Love me, oh baby, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me. Oh my goodness, where's my chapstick? Oh, I ain't got it. Goodness gracious on today. All right, I got candle right here, y'all. I want to see what was going on. But yeah, clarifying there's no sorries allowed. I'm saying withdrawal. Mm-hmm. Withdrawal. This talking about quit, awakening, and rejection. At one point in time, you possibly thought this person was some sort of addiction. I don't know, somebody might even smoke cigarettes or something like that at number 60. But I definitely see an energy of you quitting whatever this is. I'm saying you're rejecting whoever this person is. Whoever this energy is someone that you possibly lived with, possibly bought real estate with, could have been married to, or something like that. And Spirit saying you're going to be A-okay with them not being in your energy. That you're going to be A-okay, moving along or moving on by yourself. Number 70, number 65, I'm seeing an energy of stability, harmony, and acceptance in the future. With this person not being in it. Hello? Didn't I say perseverance? You overcoming all types of hurdles. This person possibly didn't think you was going to survive without them. Like you needed them. No, the fuck you didn't. They need to get the fuck. Excuse my French, but this is exactly how I feel like it's coming out. No. Look. Apology. Oh, I'm sorry, I apologize. Didn't I tell you somebody apologizing and things like that? Want some sort of forgiveness, but call themselves possibly trying to confess certain things. I feel like this person gonna claim that they speaking, telling you the truth, but they're gonna speak part truth. There's an energy of part truth. They're not telling you the whole truth. This is like a white lie, and they get angry. Now that they didn't told you the truth and confessed to things, then they get angry at you because you still don't take them back. What do you mean? I told you everything you need to know, and then you still not taking me back. What the F? That's for they show their true colors. They thought they was gonna come in as the demon that they are, and everything was gonna be like boom because of them I'm sorry's and them apologies and that guilt. Don't nobody give a fuck about that. I feel like you may have accepted them back before. You probably accepted their I'm sorry's before, but now you're not doing that again. Give me another chance. Give me another chance. Give me another chance. Here it is. Let's go ahead and clarify withdrawal. All right, withdrawal, please, spirit. What's going on with the collective? Withdrawal. Withdrawal. See, I already knew it. I see you guys taking a leap of faith in a different direction. Okay, there's the energy of blind faith. You might have given this person your all, or you feel like you did at one point in time. You possibly felt like, oh, who I'm gonna be with, where I'm gonna end up, but I've been with this person for a certain amount of years. It's not for you to worry about. All you need to worry about is ending it. That's all you needed to worry about. Is what I'm showing you. You could have possibly even been married to whoever this person is with the four wands. Okay, with the four wands, that's 1111. That's the energy of spirit putting things back into alignment and wanting you to focus on yourself. Whoever you are, you possibly have a business that you're supposed to be starting, or there's a business that you're supposed to be putting your energy and time into, and not into this person. And I feel like whoever this person is, there's an energy of conflict because of what was going on in the connection. It seems like you were taking energy and time away from something that you were supposed to be putting energy and time into. In turn, which in turn was causing blockages, hurdles. They said that's enough. No more of that. Let's go ahead and clarify real estate. What's going on with real estate, please, spirit? Real estate. What's happening with real estate? Now, with this real estate energy, I am definitely seeing an energy of you guys moving to calmer waters. There is definitely some sort of calm after the storm, especially for you and your family. You may possibly have children with whoever this person is. This could be also like an energy of when you met with whoever this person is. You possibly thought that this was going to be your calm after some sort of storm, because I feel like you've been through some shit before this person, and they possibly are fully aware of you going through some things before getting in connection with you. But Spirit said that's over with. The World card here, whatever contract you have with them, it's done. It's over with. It's nothing else. Look, they're considered the past now. You got to move on. You got to move forward. You can't even go back to them. This is an energy of this person trying to bring you flowers. Look at them trying to bring you flowers and things like that. They're trying to make things right, but absolutely not. They can't come back. I'm seeing this person possibly being up in the middle of the night. There's an energy of a stress, anxiety, and worry because you're not taking. This is someone trying to sit up and try to come up with a plan of how to get you, but it's nothing that they can say. There's nothing that they can do to get you back. It's done. It's over. They need to just go ahead and leave you alone. Go ahead and clarify. Okay. 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 Clarifying is okay. I'm definitely seeing an energy of you guys having all the tools internally, externally. There's an energy of you being a powerful manifester, especially when it comes to you making a choice and decision moving forward. You've made the choice and decision to move forward from whoever this person is trying to create and cause blockages or, burdens in your life. You're worrying about being happy. You're not worried about this person as you shouldn't. This person could possibly have water in their chart, or you could. Strong Pisces. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio could very much be significant for what I'm seeing here. I'm also showing that there's a fire sign here. King of Wands, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius might very much be significant, but nonetheless, I'm definitely seeing energy. You guys coming out as the star. Okay? I'm seeing an energy of whoever you are. You might be spiritual, practice spirituality or something like that, or a divine being. A divine being. You coming out with the star and the Most High. Whoever you are, you're very spiritual. They play with the wrong one. I'm saying you receiving assistance. The Most High is working with you directly, assisting you. That's what I'm showing here with the Six of Pentacles. There's an energy of equal give and take. There's an energy of you receiving what's owed to you. I'm seeing you celebrating. There's an energy of celebration and order. You're being celebrated. You're urged to continue to keep moving forward. They'll handle him or her. They got that. All you got to worry about is keep worrying about is moving forward. They might as well leave you alone because something after they ass, if it haven't gotten them yet, If their life ain't shit right now, oh, it's getting ready to be. No is no, and no is an answer. Leave them people alone. They didn't leave y'all alone. Tell them leave you alone. I'm pretty sure you already did. But now, go ahead, hit up the Most High on the main line. Hey, I told them, get them before I do. Please, Lord. I know, because y'all got access to them. You got them on the main line. Please, Lord. Get them. That's all I ask. Most High Spirit guides, ancestors. Because didn't I say your ancestors down here in this judgment? Yeah, get them. Get them. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I just wanted to make the call. Yeah. I love you too. Love y'all. Love everybody. I love all y'all. I appreciate you. All right. Talk to you later. All right. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.